We Texans like our guacamole. We use a lot of avocados, at least some of us do. Those of us who are also gardeners know that you can grow a plant with the seed that's inside of the avocado. So you don't eat the seed, you just cut it open like normal. Take the avocado and put it in my bowl over here. And I am left with an avocado seed and a lot of avocado on my fingers. What I do with mine is I take some lemon pepper. I sprinkle lemon pepper on it, which because of the humidity is apparently getting kind of hard in there. And I eat it with a fork. I'm going to use a shot glass and 3 toothpicks. Going to wipe off any avocado residue that's left on the seed. There's no point in, you don't have to wash it or anything. Hold it like this. Here's the pointy top, here's the flatter bottom. So you just take your toothpicks, and really you don't need 3 on this one because I'm going to put it just in a little shot glass. And you make sure, actually I'm going to put 3. Alright, so is this one going to need 4? Yep, this one's going to need 4. Alright, so you just want to make sure that the very tip is touching the water. I'm going to put just a little bit more water in this one. Then you sit it in a sunny windowsill, just like this, and wait about 2 weeks. And after about 2 weeks, you have this, which if I pull it out, you can see has a long root on it. See? So what we're waiting for now is for leaves to come out of the top. You can see I only used 2 toothpicks with this one, but it's going to sit in here in this sunny windowsill until it starts to sprout leaves right here. Nothing you need to do except make sure that the water stays touching that bottom root. All right, see you in a couple of weeks. At this stage, you can see little leaves forming in there and coming up the top. We're getting close to having an actual plant, and the root is almost down to the bottom of the pickle jar. Once the leaves come out, I'll be able to put it in a pot with some soil. Now that we have a sufficient root and we're starting to get the leaves here, I'm going to put it in dirt. I'm not going to disturb the root very much. So let me pour some out. You want the top of the avocado to just be slightly above. So I'm going to fill this up with dirt. I'm going to give it some water. You can see I have just the top showing. This is just some cheap soil I picked up. I'm going to be putting this in the ground. Probably in the spring. So, but I will be putting it in a bigger pot. I'm getting some better soil in here. Just going to give it some more water. Now, I'll be back to update in a few weeks. When these reach about 12 inches, which is, we're almost there, then you're going to want to take the top couple of leaves off. You can see here. I want to take the top, just pinch the top couple of leaves off, which will encourage branching down through here. It's just tall and spindly right now. I'm going to give it about 1 more week. You can see that this is still exposed, and yes, it cracked. It just kind of grows right out of the middle. I'm going to give it another week, and then I'm going to top it off. Now that it's been another week, it's a little over 12 inches, what I'm going to do is take off the top couple of leaves so that it starts to grow out, because it's just really spindly. So I'm going to snip off these top two. There we go. And this one. And now it should start to grow out down here on the other, the light's on behind me. So now it should start to grow a little better. If not, I'll take off some more leaves. But we want to stop it from growing up and have it grow out. And that's how you grow an avocado plant. I'll do some follow-up videos to show y'all updates on how this one's doing, show you some other ones. If you have any questions or comments, let me know.